Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you the trades today. After this, you'll be able to watch it trade live. This is the hedge fund bot. It does very well. It was 100% untouched. I never did anything. The bot entered the trade. It set the take profits. It set the stop losses, and then it took profit. We're looking for really just 3 trades is all we're looking for. And you'll see there's several dots on here. But not every dot is a signal to buy based on the parameters that we put in the settings of the bot. We use the levels and such, so it's not going to trade every single one. And as you can see, like if we would have turned the, I'll just turn this on to turn the man of war. This is something that we trade a lot with, and it only takes the shorts under it. So in this case, it would have actually made money there, but there's reason for levels and such that we don't trade. So this was trading into a level, so it never took the trade. This one right here was trading into a level, but that's 2 trades right there. This one's $1,030, and this one is $230. We're going for $150. But as you can see, right here's more levels that we had, and that would have been a loser. But this level saved us. It hurt us here, but it saved us there. We just want to trade away from levels. We don't want to trade into levels. If there's not enough profit there to make it, we don't want to do it. So as far as the bot's concerned, it's going to look for those levels that we have, and it could be my personal levels that the indicator pulls from the website. It could be the VWAP or standard deviations or man of war. There's a lot of things it can be. So to get started on this, a lot of people ask, well, I'm ready. Let's do this. You go to spymoneyllc.com. If you want to sign up for free webinars, whenever I do a webinar, I'm going to do one here at 2 o'clock today, and I'm also going to do one at 7 o'clock tonight. So if you want a webinar, we go into more detail about what we do with it. Put in your first name, last name, email. Make sure that you click the opt-in on the email that you receive. That way you can get signed up for this. We have a lot of people signed up for it. Anytime I do a live, I send it out to everybody. And if you are ready to join, which is what you probably should do, go up to the lease program at the top. The lease is $9.75 a month, plus you have to pay Quantower $70 a month. So that's the total out-of-pocket that you'll have. You'll get any bot that I make, any indicator, all the live training, all the access to the website and so forth with that. It is for 30 days. And what you have to do is put in all this information here. I know it sounds like a lot, but really what I want to do is talk to you and make sure that we are a good fit. Because I'm going to be investing in you as well as you're investing in me. And I want to make sure that you are a person that we want to put into the Spy Money program and make sure that everything is good. And I also want to go over some details to make sure you understand before you pay any money what expectations you'll have and so forth. I don't want anybody to sign up unless they know fully well what is going on. You need to read through these 14 items, make sure that you understand them. The number one thing is our bots are not set it and leave it bots. So you can't turn these bots on, go to work, come back and be a millionaire. It's just not the way it works. Once you do that, click submit. I will get an email and best time to talk to you and such. And today we can get you in a phone conversation today. Make sure that you're able to do this and that you are ready for it. You get all of these indicators plus more. There's more indicators we have. Here's some questions that I get asked a lot. Most of your questions will be answered right here. And once you do that, just click to submit. We'll get a phone conversation, make sure you're good with everything, and then get you signed up. We're not looking for thousands of people. We're looking just for a small amount of people that we can go ahead and put in the program. So I hope that you are willing to put forth the effort and learn this and get yourself out of the rut that you're in. We also have 3 different prop accounts. The Tradeify is right now probably the best one. You can pass it in 3 days. Once you get past You go to a live account and you can do daily payouts with it. Apex is another great one, but it does take a lot longer to get paid out. You can get up to 20 accounts there. With Tradeify, you can get 5. Honestly, 5 accounts is a lot. Start off with 1 and make sure that you're getting things going, that you're passing, getting your payouts, and then maybe add another one or 2 or 3 or 4. But just start off with 1 and get it going. Make sure that you do sign up with Rhythmic data only, or what I do is I trade my live account with AMP on Rhythmic, and then I copy trade over to the Tradeify Tradeibate accounts. And the reason I do that is so that I can trade my live account, and then all of the others will copy over. So I have Tradeify accounts, I have Apex accounts, and they both work really well. No issues with them. We do use a separate trade copier, and it's we send you information on that once you get signed up. They charge, I think it's $50 for 5 accounts, and if you want 10 accounts, then it's $100 a month. That is separate from us, and it helps you get into a good copier that works really well. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, right here are the trades for today. And I turned it on about 9:45 or so. I don't remember the exact time, but it was around this time here. And there was no trades in here whatsoever. Matter of fact, there was no trades. This right here was a trade. Depending on the levels, I can't see those, but this would have been a trade right here, 275. So possibly would have been there. I like to wait till usually about 9:40, 9:45 to get it turned on. Once I see that there's some trades that are taking place and everything's moving pretty good, I like to turn it on. There are other ways that you can trade this, and we go into that in the training. Get signed up for the free public live webinar training. We'll do one at 2 o'clock today. We're going to do another one at 7 o'clock tonight. And get signed up for those, and let's get you started in Spy Money program and get you to where you're paying those Christmas gifts off. Everybody have a great day.